Eliciting Stakeholder Requirements Training, Tonex Training. Price, $1,999. Length, 2 days. Eliciting Stakeholder Requirements Training course gives the key ideas of stakeholder requirements elicitation. It presents different instruments and techniques for gathering data and requirements from task stakeholders. Members additionally find out about the regular difficulties, detriments and concerns related with every strategy and procedure. This training focuses on stakeholder needs example, stakeholder requirements specification example, stakeholder needs analysis example, stakeholder requirements specification document example, stakeholder requirements specification template, stakeholder requirement document. What are stakeholders' needs? Support your answer with examples, stakeholder requirements in project management. Typically 4 stages are associated with this procedure. Requirements discovery. This is the way toward cooperating with and gathering the requirements from the stakeholders. It very well may be done through meetings, situations and models. Requirements order and organization. The relationship among parts is characterized in this progression. What is done here will help in the choice of recognizing the most reasonable compositional structure designs. Requirements prioritization and negotiation. Numerous stakeholders more often than not rises to various clashes. In this progression all stakeholder requirements ought to be contemplated and afterward organized. Requirements specification. Requirements are archived. Target audience. This training is designed for project managers, project engineers, business analysts, all individuals who are involved in the processes of collecting data and eliciting requirements in various projects. Training objectives. After successful completion of eliciting, collection and creating requirements workshop, the participants can distinguish significant stakeholders and different wellsprings of data for every abnormal state prerequisite. Plan to evoke exact requirements and group them. Make a system to distinguish stakeholder needs and requirements. Pick fitting instruments for requirements gathering and decide the method of reasoning for their determination. Evoke intensive, precise, and detectable requirements by applying various instruments. Direct meetings with stakeholders to break down and approve their needs. Find out about different relational abilities to associate with stakeholders. Accumulate a total arrangement of requirements dependent on the business needs and stakeholder objectives so as to meet venture destinations. Lead necessity workshops to help hard information gathering and documentation of the requirements. Characterize the ability scope. Apply best practices of information elicitation. Course outline. Overview of eliciting, collecting, and developing requirements. Requirements elicitation problems. Elicitation techniques. Elicitation methodology frameworks. Eliciting tools. Traditional elicitation approaches. Hard data collection. Interviews. Questionnaires. Group elicitation approaches. Joint, rapid application development principles. Participant observation technique. Elicitation models. Elicitation best practices. Elicit, collecting, and developing requirements workshop. Request more information regarding eliciting stakeholder requirements training. Visit tonex.com for workshop and training detail.